what is in this huge box. If you want to know what is in this huge Amazon box, then you have to be stay tuned and watch this video till the end, because I've shopped a lot from Amazon.in recently in this Republic sale. Stay tuned and watch this. I'll start digging in this box where I have a lot of skincare, makeup, and little of, I think, yes, skincare and makeup only. So I'll start with skincare and take you to makeup, because makeup is always interesting and I want you guys to be stay tuned to this video to check out what I've brought. Starting off with a face oil. So I have a habit of using vitamin E oil for my skin and my hair and all. So I thought I'll buy a vitamin E skin oil. So this is from E-White. So this is for 80 rupees. I got 3 bottles of this. It is not written somewhere. No, it is not. So I've got 3 bottles. I'll link it below. There was a deal going on, and this is a small bottle, and the oil looks pretty fine to me. Doesn't it? I don't think it's a natural. Like, I used to use khadi for long, and that seems to be a natural vitamin E oil, but whatever it is, I'll use it and I'll let you know how this performs on my skin. And I use it in my moisturizer, I use it in a lot of stuff. So it says that you have to massage small quantities of vitamin E skin oil in a circular motion on affected parts and gradually diminishes and removes stretch marks also that occurs on delicate skin. This is helpful for your face, neck, hip, breast, abdomen. So it is like I can use it on my entire body. I can use it on my face and my abdomen and where I have stretch marks. So let's see. It says it protects you from aging. Let's see if I look younger in next few months, then this is gonna help you guys also. So this is one skincare thing. Then there was a deal going on VLCC kit of facial packs. I don't get time often to go to parlors and get the facial done, so I thought I'll get a facial kit. I always used to use a lot of natural products, so first time I'm gonna use this party pack and this facial kit from VLCC. This is what I got. This was there was a deal. The entire pack is for 250 rupees, but the deal was of 163 rupees for a pack, in which buy one papaya fruit facial kit and you will get a party glow facial kit. And all of these packs have 6 units in it. I'll open one and show you. Which one should I open? I'll open the pearl kit first. Where is it? Ouch! I drop a lot of things. I don't know why, because my mother used to say me कि तेरे हाथ तो में कोई चीज नहीं टिकती, and you spoil a lot of stuffs and drop a lot of stuffs when but I am like that. ऐसे ही हूँ मैं. This is a free pack, and this free pack have this all stuff in it, which is, oh, it is in steps. It is in steps. Like first step says that you have to clean and tone your face. Then second step says that you have to this is a scrub, then you have to scrub it. The third step says that this is a saffron massage gel, and fourth one says it is a face cream. I don't know how many steps they'll want us to follow. And this is an instant glow pack. So all of these have this 5 steps in it. And one more thing they have. What is this? This is a moisturizing gel. Okay, it's like this. So if you are in a hurry and you cannot go out of the house and get the facial done, so this is a pack for you. You can keep it for a while, and the manufacturing says it will last till 2020. So I'm happy to go with it. So this is the pack I brought, and with that I got that free. And I'll show this one also. This is also same. This is a little bigger from that one, so you can use it twice, or 2 people can use it in once. So that is a little smaller, that's why that is free. But the packet says both have 60 grams of 60 grams of face pack and other creams in it, so I don't mind using the free one first. So this is to what I got. Then in skincare, I just love one moisturizer. I have used Olay, I have used Lakme, I have used L'Oreal, I have used Khadi, but this is the moisturizer I use regularly. I have tons and tons of it because this me and my husband use it regularly because it leaves you with a light moisturized skin and doesn't stick to your skin a lot and not even very dry. So this is a very nice formula. I like it. I can do a hacks that I use it for with my foundation, with my shimmer, with my highlighter. I use this very often, and this is a very light textury feel, and the smell is awesome. So this is a product which I repeatedly repeat. This is a must have for me, and I order it regularly. What am I doing? Then what is another skincare thing I'm having in this box? Okay, this is not skincare, this is hair care. This is the Leave-On serum. I used to use this one earlier. This is Methic oil from L'Oreal Professionals, but I thought that I'm not using much of this nowadays, so I just need a drop to give it a shine. That's why I've just brought it, and that was on deal, so I don't recommend it because it is a okay product for me, not a very must-have product. Let's rush to makeup, starting with my eyes. This is what I have got. I've read a lot of reviews about Lash Sensational Full Mascara from Maybelline, and I've tried a lot of them. I love that yellow one, full volume, and the purple one, black one, but I've never used this one, Lash Sensational. So I thought I need this one, and I will try and give you a review that how quick it did do your lashes. This is for $5.50. It was on 30% off, so deal. And this is a tag that all the products are on 30 to 40% off. None of them are on MRP, and as you know guys, I do not shop on MRP because I want to save money and shop more. So second thing for my eyes is like this NYX. This is Color Pure mascara for the lashes. This is Tinted Brow Mascara. What am I saying? So this is in the shade brown. I've not used it, but this has a little small brush in it which tints your eyebrows. What am I doing? I'm forgetting lines today. Sorry, please don't mind it. And I'm a little upset because I have to cross 1,000 subscribers by this week, this month end, and this weekend ही हो गया, month end है तो. So please help me guys. If you are my regular subscriber, do not forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed and watching this video, and please share it with your friends and family to get that subscribe button hit, because if I'm not hitting that 10,000 I will get really demotivated and have to touch that 1,000 subscribers wala milestone. Ha la la. So for eyes, that was it. No, not. I have a pretty palette coming in. This is from Makeup Revolution London, and the shades are lovely. I will do a tutorial of for this. I'm not opening it. This is like 30 eyeshadow by British beauty bloggers. So this is recommended by all the bloggers, and the palette says it is a brave palette. Fortune favors the brave. Okay. The color is very nice. I've seen it. I have seen the swatches and all, so I'll swatch it for you guys. I'll open it once and do a tutorial also. This was for face. Now for this was for, I think, eyes. Now I'll start with the face. For face, I got one foundation. Most of the bloggers have this, tried this. For me, I'm trying it for the first time. I have not used it. I think I've got a wrong shade. I am a shade darker than this, and this is a little light for me, but still I'll mix it with something and then I'll see. And then I have a blush palette from Makeup Revolution. Nykaa says that they have the best discounts possible, but no, if you go to amazon.in, they have maximum discounts when they're running an offer. They are up to 35% off, and Nykaa was on, I think, 20 to 15% off on Makeup Revolution. See, such pigmented blushes. I love such highlighting blushes, because when you don't want to overdo your cheeks, you can use all that natural shades. I already have a palette from BH Cosmetics, all that red colors and all, so if you want, I can show both of them. So I thought I'll take little neutral colors this time. Then what else I have? What else happened? What else? Then for face, I have brought this Illuminator Liquid from L'Oreal, which is a True Match Lumi. So this is a primer and highlighter. I've used it once, but I've not liked it much. This is for $7.99. I got it for $5.99, 200 rupees off. So this says that you can highlight your all pointy areas, like your nose, like your under eye area, this cheekbone, and the upper lid of your eyebrows. So, and this is like, I've used it but not that great, so I would prefer powder highlighters over this one. But I wanted a highlighter to use before I'm using the base, so I brought it. Then I have two lipsticks on my hand, lip colors, matte lip stay lip colors from L'Oreal, and one from Maybelline. Guys, this is not good. Do not buy it. Seriously, I have not liked it. The shade is nice, but it is little tinted. It is not even, you know, giving me a full coverage on my lips, and the texture is nice, but it is like, I'll just double coat it for you guys and show you how the color is. See, it is not at all full coverage. I like lipsticks and other things which are like full coverage. This says it is a matte, but it is a soft matte with creamy effect, so it doesn't stays. It is transferable easily. Then this Super Stay Matte ink is matte. I'm gonna show you. so that at least this is in a shade lighter. The shade is Lover or Dream or something like that. This is Loyalist. So this is a lighter shade for my skin. I do not like such shades, but I brought it and I will use it with something else. So this is a no do for me. So this was my latest purchases from Amazon.in in their latest makeup and other fashion sale, Republic sale. So if you want to buy all this stuff again on discount, then this will be in discounts, on discounts maybe near Valentine's Day. So hold yourself till then and purchase these super deals. And one more tip, I can buy this on super deals for the entire day because I'm a Prime member. If you are not a Prime member, you can subscribe to Amazon Prime membership. This is not sponsored, but I am using Amazon Prime and I am loving it. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, watch my videos, and please tell your family and friends to subscribe it and share it, because I want to cross this 1000 wala mark of 1000 subscriber and 1000 subscriber milestones, because I'm getting crazy and I'm asking every single person to subscribe my channel. Please, if you love me and you love to watch my such videos and me on the channel, please get me few subscribers. For now, ta-ta, bye bye.